Hello everyone.
Hello.
Join us for another Vanners collaboration.
Yes.
And in this month's collaboration, we're talking about fixed bed versus a lounge.
Yes.
And a decision we regret. You'll see the other YouTubers' logos in the middle of the screen or down here. Let's get started.
Yes, it'd be interesting to see what ideas they come up with.
Yes. Yeah. So we chose a 6-metre van, didn't we?
We did. And I suppose with such a small van, you either have the option of a lounge that converts into a single or a double bed in our case.
Yeah.
Or you have a drop-down bed.
Yeah.
And I think at the time, drop-down beds, we had a few issues with them.
Yes, they were coming down and then getting stuck and not going back up.
Yeah.
Or you couldn't get them all the way down or something like that.
Yes, there's a potential for things to go wrong.
Yeah.
Okay. Plus, I suppose they come down to a certain level and you still have to climb onto them, don't you?
Yes. And I think because we are a little older, we decided not to go that way. Our lounge, we've got 2 bench seats that make up into single beds, or they make up into a double.
And it only takes about 5 minutes to...
Yeah, they're dead easy to put together.
Yeah.
It's basically you pull it out, slide it out. We just manoeuvre the cushions, put them into where we know how they have to fit.
Yeah, if you want a double bed, then they come completely out.
Yeah.
So you've got a flat area, and then you make your double bed up. Or if you're 2 singles, you leave a gap.
Yes, in between. Yeah, first we didn't, and we didn't really leave much of a gap at all, did we? No. But we found that we were then having to still clamber over to get out to go to the loo at night. So now we leave a little gap in between. There's just enough room for us to get off the bed, and then you can walk to the loo.
Yeah.
I mean, I have a 3/4 single.
Because you have Archie next to you.
Yeah, there he is, down there, look.
There he is, down there.
Sleeping. Oh, speak of the devil, he's woke up.
Having a scratch.
And then Tony has a single. I have the large. I pull mine out further than Tony's.
Yeah, but
just so that we got room for Archie now.
To be honest, there's still plenty of room.
Oh yeah, they're very spacious, aren't they?
Yeah, and once we put the duvets on, very comfortable. Right?
Yeah, we have a duvet on top, and then we have nice sleeping bags that go on top as well.
Yeah.
With our pillows, don't we, Archie? You know, don't you?
That's right.
So everyone, did we make the wrong decision? Do we regret making the decision of buying a 6-metre van with bench seats that you make up into singles? What do you think, Tony?
No, I don't think we regret it, do we?
No, we don't.
No.
I think maybe if we bought a bigger van, then we would go for singles in the back, wouldn't we?
Have a bigger van, then having fixed beds would be the option, wouldn't it? Would be another option.
Yeah. But we're happy with a 6-metre van.
Yeah.
And we're happy with our decision. Please watch everybody else's videos because I'm sure they will come up with some good ideas.
Be very interesting.
Yeah, to hear what their opinions are.
Yes.
So pop over and watch their videos too. And we'll see you in the next one.
Yes.
So take care, everybody. Bye for now.
Bye for now.